Greetings, Brett here with Hammerhead Model Making, and we're back with another 5-minute review. Today we're going to be taking a look at this brand new release from I Love Kit, the USS Stevens in 1/350th scale. Now this is a specially modified, in fact one of 3, Fletcher Class destroyer. For this ship, they removed one of the aft gun mounts and the aft torpedo mount and replaced it with a float plane, seaplane, catapult, and recovery crane. Now, the idea here was to provide greater scouting and spotting capability to destroyer, you know, um, squadrons, and ultimately they found that it wasn't worth losing the firepower over. But nevertheless, it's an interesting look in a unique type of Fletcher class. This is a round bridge Fletcher class, and definitely one that was, as soon as I saw it pop up on my radar, it was one that I knew that I had to get. I've never built an I Love kit before. I've reviewed a couple in the past, never one of their ships before. I think overall the kit looks really nice. The parts seem really well detailed, and it actually comes with a lot of photo etch straight out of the gate, which is kind of a nice option. So as you can see here, we have the main hull and the main deck. Overall, I feel like the hull plating on the main hull is a little overdone. Might need a little, light sanding there. But one thing I did notice in this kit is an abundant use of slide molding. So this is kind of like the main superstructure here. Pretty much everything after the bridge all the way to the back. And this is all one piece. And you can just see the very fine detail they're getting out of this. But it's everywhere. It's all over, top, bottom, left, right, side, front, back, everywhere. Just pulling out some really nice detail on this kit. Here is one of the turrets. There are 4 turrets in this kit. Normal Fletchers would have 5, but you can see just a lot of very fine detail being pulled out of this, all done with slide molding, and very, very impressive here. Here's kind of the front part of the superstructure. This is I think this is the O1 deck, and very nice. Here's the bridge piece, again, very nice. All of the bridge windows appear to be pretty circular, no weird oval shapes there because of molding irregularities. So very, very nice. And I Love Kit has done a great job of packaging this kit, providing a lot of protection protection and bubble wrap type things. So very nice, very nicely done. Overall, the parts seem pretty standard for this this type of kit. This would obviously be comparable to like the Tamiya Fletcher class, especially because they're both round bridge. There's also a Trumpeter Fletcher class ship out there that I've previously built. So I'm curious to see how this will stack up to this. I mean, basically already out of the gate, this one looks a little bit nicer. Here's a matched pair of sprues. We get kind of our main armament, a lot of the torpedoes. You do get 2 types of gun barrels. You get one that is articulated so that you can position it, and then you get a gun barrel that has the blast bag molded on, which is nice, and they are slide molded, so they are hollowed out at the ends. Life rafts look really good. A lot of the smaller detail looks pretty decent, nothing spectacular. Here we have the funnel, prop shafts, a lot of that stuff. Again, pretty nice. Molding seems pretty crisp and clean. Here's our seaplane, all molded in clear, so you can mask off the windows and paint it all up. And then finally, we get 2 photo etch sheets. This is the main one. It has kind of our catapult, cranes, depth charge racks, ladders, some of the railing, radar, rangefinder, all that nice stuff there. And then finally, we have the second one coming up, which is basically just additional railing, so quite nice. And then finally we get some chain for the anchors. Look pretty good. Decal wise, we get all of the non-slip surfaces that would be applied to the decking of the ship. We get flags, pennants, markings for the aircraft, and then finally ship's numbers. So very nice, appropriate type of decals. It is nice that you get the non-slip texture portion for the deck. That'll help to liven that up and add that detail. Instruction wise, it's pretty straightforward. You start with the main hull, kind of adding all the detail there. Then we start working on superstructure parts. Essentially kind of going from O1 level up to the next kind of a thing. Secondary armament going on, ship's boats going on, all the little additional things. We got the cranes, and finally we do the main bridge stack. We get there are 2 funnels on the ship, main gun mounts all together, and there we go. So yeah, this looks like a top-notch kit. Excited to get this one on the bench at some point. Maybe a 2026 build. We'll see. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Huge shout out to the patrons. Thank you for supporting this channel. Finally, if you enjoy the content, go ahead and hit like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone. Happy modeling. Bye.